Hello YouTube, and now I'm going to show you how to power the quarry. There are two ways to power a quarry in tekkit. You can either use a steam engine or power it with electricity. Right now I'm going to show you how to power it with steam engines, and later I'm going to show you how to power it with electricity. Right, first of all we're going to need some pistons. Since I'm going to make it automatic afterwards, I have to do some extra stuff. Oops, I'm going to make 4. Oops, sorry. Oh, I forgot I don't have that anymore. I just have to cheat a little bit then. Sorry guys. Thought I had everything. Right, now I have everything I need. 4 pistons, and we're going to use 1 at the steam engine. No, that's wrong. No. I need to upgrade 1 gear. This cobblestone, stone. It's called stone. Right, I need to. Just wasting time now. Sorry. You put the pitstone middle, glass, and no, glass like that. It's like this. Yes. Now I have a steam engine. We placed here, and we add a lava bucket. You can use coal, whatever. Yeah, you need to build a leveler. Oops, wrong. Or redstone torch. See, now it's starting to build there. Oh, I don't want monsters. Wait, I don't need to do that. Just do this. I'm showing you stuff, can't have a monster killing me. Yeah, and now I'm going to make it automatic. I'm going to need some space. And this is where I'm going to have my buckets of with lava. Oh no, this one. No, whatever. Yeah, and then I need to make some pipes. You need some pipes to, if you want to transport your blocks the quarry takes up. You need pipes, but I'm not going to show you that now. I might be able to show it when I'm building it with an electricity. You also need a diamond to sort it so I don't get empty buckets inside where I'm going to have fill buckets. Oh my god, I can't have that there to move it. Alright, that didn't work. Something like that. I've got to make my engines. I'm going to make redstone engines. I need 3 of them. How is this again? Yeah, that's right. Here we can also, you can use a leveler or redstone torch. Since I used leveler last time, I'm going to use redstone torch. I'm going to have 1 here. This is, oh, it's get powered. Yay! It's bugged, sorry. Yeah, you know it's there, right? Then you need something to pump it out from here. I'm just gonna do it. I hate this stuff. It's hopeless, you know. Something like, no, that's wrong. Yeah, no, it's not. Just add that one there. Now I only need 2 engines. Sorry, guys. And we have a diamond. and oh, I hate this part. Because you have to build up, because when you press there you get the filter. That, and we want them back, don't we? That's why we are adding that one, like that. And then we retrieve them. I have the empty bucket. Empty bucket is going into green. Filled bucket is going in here. Eventually these engines will change colors, and when they get red they go very, very fast. I don't think they'll ever explode, because they were blinking red a long time with me, but it didn't explode. But I'm also going to make a video on a trick how to not make so they don't get red, but if they don't really explode, it's no real point for it. It's just, if you want them to go in normal speed like this, you have to do what I'm going to show you. Alright, now we have an automatic quarry. Yeah, also watch my other videos and please subscribe. See ya!